Hey guys, welcome to Kuluin Mufflers. I am currently on my way to the shop. I've been collecting parts now for a little over 6 months to get the 304 fired up in the HQ, which is it's a hell of a moment. I'm really looking forward to tonight. I got a bunch of buddies coming down and give me a hand with this little project, so hopefully, if all goes well, I bought enough bits and pieces to make it run and possibly even drive. There may be a few dodgy wiring connections and a couple of dodgy, fuel connections and whatnot, but I think we can get it running. I'm pretty pumped about the whole thing. So let's go have some fun, see what we can do with this thing. It's Kuluin Mufflers after hours. God, it's peaceful here. This place is such manic freaking madness every day of the week. To come here after hours and it's just quiet, so much road noise, stereo's not running. So there's my engine. It was meant to look a lot more complete than that, but I just didn't get that far. It was kind of a busy week and not much happened. But the idea is to complete the engine with all its little bits and pieces, which are in boxes on the floor there. I've been scrounging money from everywhere to save up parts since Christmas. So we'll get that together. And the plan is, with a bit of help, we are going to shoehorn it into this great big empty void. God, I can't wait. This has been coming for a while now, so man, I am stoked. Alright, that looks good, man. My car come back. And we can't go forwards. Oh no, we just need to kick this over a little bit.
No, you're on the nose.
Oh, yeah, right, yeah, that's
you can't shut it back.
I think we just keep coming down.
Yeah.
It's gonna get shorter, isn't it?
Can you swing this the whole way over, hold the weight, sort of a bit?
You know what? You need.
I'll get a ratchet strap in the back.
See this?
Extend it out.
Yeah.
So we need to come back out and reposition it. This doesn't really, like, in an exhaust shop, a funnel is not something I have just lying around.
Right.
Oh yeah, it came in a nice bottle and
Did
everything.
you put the sump plug in?
I never took it out.
You never took it, so the old oil's still in there.
No, it's a different sump.
Oh, fair enough. Okay.
Yeah, it's a HQ sump.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Most interesting video you'll watch all night, people.
Hey! This is we're putting fluids in, man. This is the exciting stage.
Certainly are.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some of them fluids next.
Have you got distributor leads, Luke?
Yes, that's why I bought that particular distributor, because it just came with everything.
It came with leads as well.
Well, I had to pay extra for the leads, but they had the correct leads for that distributor.
Oh, because I've got these old bodgy ones here, and then we just use the new ones.
Yeah, no, I got brand new.
Again.
Still went on 180 degrees out.
No.
No, we're not, or no, you're not sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Try and start test number 5 or 6 or something.
Hang on, let me give her a bit more.
Oh, it's fucking awesome!
Come on, give her a kick in the guts. Again.
Shut it down. Shut it down. Pissing something out of somewhere.
So in the excitement of it all, we may have forgotten to loop up the transmission cooler lines, and it may have bled everywhere badly. This is not a big deal. Let's just loop those back together, clean all this up after we have a beer, and do it again.
Yeah, we're on.
Then put the ratchet shifter in and go do skids. So I think everything's plugged up this time. No oil. Alright, ready?
Yep. Again.
That'll do.
No.
No? We're gonna go better?
Yes.
That'll do. She's got that going. Oh yeah. Oh, that is just sensational.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Well, I've got to say I am pretty damn chuffed. And big thanks to everyone who helped me out tonight to make this dream come true. It's super duper cool. 304 is in and she is running pretty nice actually. I'm a little bit excited. So now there's a lot of neatening up to do. We ran a lot of things just to make them work at the time. The air cleaner's got to be modified to sit down properly and whatnot. Header's got to go have to be ceramic. But God, this thing's going to drive in about a week's time. Still got no ratchet shifter, so at the moment we can start it up, but I got no throttle cable and no shifter and stuff like that. But that's the least of my worries. I am so freaking stoked. So a big thank you to everybody, and man, there'll be more progress soon.